So our next performance is something very unique. A skill which you would not find in many people. It's a puzzle. Probably the most popular puzzle in the world. The puzzle was invented by a Hungarian architect, Rubik. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Rubik's Cube.
You'll be amazed to know that even Erno Rubik took a month to solve his own cube. It is estimated that less than 5.8% of the world's population know how to solve the Rubik's Cube. अगर विश्वास नहीं होता, Google पे जाके खुद चेक कर लीजिए.
And Knowple proudly presents you someone who belongs to that very tiny percentage of the world's population. Please welcome Ayussh Agarwal.
हैरान मत होइए, ऐसी कई सारी टैलेंट्स हैं Knowple के पास.
I am Ayussh Agarwal and I have come here to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in the least possible time. So as you can see, it's completely shuffled. So let's start. It's completely solved. Thank you. And now a pattern. All the middle pieces are here with the solved ones. Thank you.